pods are comfortable. It's like a sock like material with the pods at the bottom, just, you know, giving us that extra support and stability, you know, to, I guess, to have these on for extended, you know, amount of time. So they're comfortable. If I had to rate them, I would give them right now probably about a 7.
What's up, YouTube fam? Swaggy T here, giving you guys a different type of video. So for this video, I'm gonna be wearing the Yeezy pods for like a week straight to give y'all my honest opinion on them. I'm at the gas station right now, putting gas in the whip. I got them on right now. Oh shit! I got them on right now. They cool for right now. I feel like I gotta break them in. I don't know, bro. Like, the pod in the back is almost like elevated, so it's kind of like my foot kind of slopes down a little bit. But let me show y'all what they look like on feet. So yeah, I'll be wearing these for a week straight. Let's get it. My feet.
Headed a lot of all of my ice. Headed a lot of all my ice.
Day one down. My thoughts of day one with the Yeezy pods on. Like, they were cool, but like after an hour having them on, my foot was hurting a little bit, but I got over it. They were still comfortable. My only thing about it was with my pants that I had on, the pant leg kept going over the heel of the pod, so it was like my jeans was scraping the ground everywhere I went. So that was my only gripe, but other than that, they cool so far. That's day one. All right, y'all, it's day two. I got the Yeezy pods on. Well, it's day two of wearing the Yeezy pods. It's raining. I don't have to get out anywhere, but I'm making a quick errand real quick, but I don't have to get out, thank God. But I'm kind of curious to like wearing it in rainy weather, because I know the shoe doesn't have, well, it's not a shoe, it's a sock shoe, but the pods don't have a covering over them. So I'm kind of curious to like how soaked it'll get, but I don't want to go through all that because I'm trying to wear it throughout the week. So if it gets wet, I feel like I can't just, you know, put them in the dryer and let them dry, because they might shrink or something like that. I don't know how that works. I gotta look into how to clean the Yeezy pods. I gotta look into all that, man. So yeah, so I'm not finna risk it today. So day two was a rainy day, so we not about to be stepping nowhere today. But yeah, I am curious though. But one thing I do want to say, I don't have smelly feet, but people that have smelly feet, like, don't wear these, bro. Just wear them like in the crib. Don't, you know, or if you're going like to somebody's house that you know, but don't wear these like out and about at a public setting and stuff like that, and you know you got sweaty, smelly feet. Like, don't do that. Nah, it's gonna be a bad look for you. It's gonna be over. So that's that on that. And yeah, and if it's bad weather outside, don't put these on, because, you know. Then too, I'm curious about like with the pods, because like the traction pods on the bottom, like I'm curious to how they would do in the rainy weather, like walking. Like, I'm sure it doesn't have no type of grip, so a nigga would be sliding everywhere. Like, yeah, GG's, it would be bad. Yeah. So, but I don't know. I need to try it to just see. So I might just, I don't know, walk to the mailbox, some shit. So we gonna see. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with y'all. Like, I've been wearing the Yeezy pods, but I haven't been keeping up with the days, and majority of those days I did not record. Due to work, family, and just other shit. So I wasn't able to record, but so I'm gonna just mash up all that into this one day that I'm recording. This is pretty much the last day, but I'm gonna still be wearing them because it is what it is. But so far the Yeezy pods, I know I rated them a 7, but I'm gonna go ahead and give them like an 8, a solid 8. And I bumped it up to an 8 solely because they're comfortable and they're different, and they pretty much go with anything, but it's just preference, pretty much. Like, if you want to wear shorts with these, like, by any means, do what you do. You can probably pull it off, but it's difficult. I ain't gonna lie, it's difficult to try to pull these off. But what I found that works is you just have to wear neutral colors. Do not wear baggy jeans. I know in my previous video, I said to wear like some baggy pants, but I do not prefer baggy pants with these because the heel of the pants, like, your pant leg will just always get caught up on the heel, and you'll be walking on your pant leg and all that. So, you know, you'll mess those up. So, no baggy jeans. You can do, like, I have on some Dickie pants, the 87.4 cutoff Dickie pants. You can wear those, like some cutoff jeans at the ankles, or wear some sweatpants. So those are what ultimately goes, you know, with the Yeezy pods. So neutral colors, cutoff pants. You can do shorts if you want, just if you can do it, and then sweatpants ultimately. So that's how I would style it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have on right now. But I'm currently dropping off a package at FedEx real quick. By the way, I'm selling some stuff, so make sure to follow my Depop, and I also have some stuff on eBay and Grailed as well. So I'll be right back. Gotta drop this package off.
Are your favorite kicks looking a bit worn out? Introducing Reshoevn8r, the ultimate solution to revive your sneakers and keep them looking fresh as the day you bought them. Our premium cleaning products are specifically formulated to tackle even the toughest stains and dirt, restoring your sneakers to their former glory. Say goodbye to the scuffs and grime, and hello to pristine, like new shoes with Reshoevn8r. Don't let your sneakers fade away. Elevate your shoe game with Reshoevn8r today by clicking the link down below in the description. When you check out, a 10% discount code will be applied to your order, so move quickly.
It is hot as fuck. Y'all might not get this fit, man. between the rain, the sun, just the heat and the humidity and all that, man. Like, y'all, I'm still show y'all, but it's crazy out here. Can I go this way? But like I was saying before, I'm selling stuff, so you guys feel free to visit my Depop. I'll put the Depop link down in the description for anybody that wants to check out what I got. I just grabbed like some Supreme tees, and then I got some Air Jordan 1s that I have up, and I'm debating on if I want to put some more shoes up or not. But I'm not here to like sell y'all on shit. It's strictly for the Yeezy pods. But like I said, they're 8, and I'm gonna show y'all the fit. I've been wearing these all day. Let me back up. I've been wearing these all day, and I can confirm that the Yeezy pods are comfortable. So like, if you having any doubts or you just don't know if you want to cop only if you want them though. And a reminder, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait for these to come in. I don't know if the time frame has shifted since a lot of people been getting theirs in, but more than likely you probably still gonna have to wait, my boy or my girl or whatever. But you're gonna have to wait on these to come in. But ultimately, I would say cop. They're comfortable. About to get ready to go to the movies right now to see Bad Boys, so I'm gonna wear these. I got my little Supreme tee on, and dang, how can I'm trying to see how I can show y'all the fit. Dang, y'all still can't see it. Hold on. I see fit. Yeah, hey, there we go. Fit. 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 Give me some more lights. Hey, there we go. There we go. Fit. Hold on. There we go. Some light, But yes, if you plan on copping, go ahead and cop these Yeezy pods. They are comfortable, and like I said, I give them an 8. And this is probably most constructive YouTube video I've done. Probably won't do this again. We'll see, but this yeah, that's the Yeezy pods in a week technically, but I didn't. Y'all got it. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for your boy. Appreciate you guys watching. Swaggy T, I'm out. Peace. Hey, yo, KJ, man, that shit again. It's hot today, and I did say whenever you do cop the Yeezy pods to wear socks, because the socks ultimately make the pods comfortable, if that makes sense. Because I wouldn't just slide my foot into these, because it's not, you know. But anywho, it's hot outside, and yeah, I thought I was gonna wear these to the movies, but I mean, it's gonna be cool in the movie theater, like it always is. But like, my feet are hot, dog. I ain't gonna lie, my feet are hot, bro. Like, because you gotta think, this is a sock shoe, and you gotta put on socks like with them as well. So I might have to take these off. I ain't gonna need cap. I ain't gonna need cap. But it's, you know, pros and cons though. Pros and cons, ladies and gentlemen. Pros and cons. But I just want to throw that in there as well. All right, so yeah, this is the end of the video, for real this time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got the information that you needed about the Yeezy pods. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for all the support, and much love to you all. And like, subscribe, comment, and look out for more videos from me, and look out for shorts, and follow my gaming channel, Swaggy T Gaming. That'll be on my page, on my channel, my YouTube channel as well. And get rejuvenated. 10% off using my promo code. Link down in the description. All right, I'm out. Peace.